Welcome back, learners. I'm really sorry, learners, for the break that I took of one day, and I will make sure that you will keep getting the videos now onwards on a regular basis. So we have this special series for all those competent learners who are actually the part of any competitive exam, or if you want to work on your English language, this is the best platform to work on your language with the vocabulary, with grammar, and many of the things coming on the in the lane. So we are back with our one word substitution series. Yay! And we have the thought you can if you have will to achieve. Believe me, you can do it. Okay to learn because it is okay to learn, and it's our dream that we want to serve to all of you. So let us get started. Yeah, this is the reason why we are starting with letter O and continuing with letter A, because it is okay to learn. So we thought that it is the best word or best name to start our letter series. Yes, so today we have 15 important words with letter K. You'll be learning pronunciation as well, plus the word and the meaning. So if you are interested to know all these things, keep watching. This video is for you only. So the first word is kennel. Kennel means shelter for pet dogs. आपने देखा होगा टेलीविजन में भी, like if they there is a shelter, एक separate घर बना देते हैं dogs के लिए, that is called kennel. Okay, easy है, you can easily recognize it. Next word is knave, a dishonest and unscrupulous man. ऐसा इंसान जो बहुत ही डिसऑनेस्ट है और you can't believe on that person, so that person can be called knave. Okay, so it's a characteristic. Yes. Kleptomania, an abnormal desire of steal. Now अगर हम जनरल व्यू में बात करें, लाइक अगर कोई चोरी करता है, दैट इज समबडीज नीड, समबडीज वांट, या कुछ एक some people are actually in need to steal, but there are some people वो illogically without any reason एक abnormal desire के लिए they steal. So they steal like silly things like bottle, और उनको ज़रूरत नहीं है basically, but they are doing it. So that kind of situation is called, it's a kind of mental disease actually, and this is called kleptomania. Okay, moving forward. Kindergarten. Kindergarten. So if you say it in the speed, it sounds like kindergarten. Okay, a school for small children. We all already know the word, but some of you actually mispronounce the word, so please be careful about the word. Okay, great. Moving forward. Kingpin. सुनो तो ऐसा लगता है like you are talking about somebody who pokes everybody, who disturbs, but no, it doesn't mean that. Kingpin means person who actually controls the organization or activity. It can be used for a person or a thing. ऐसे कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है या कोई भी इंसान है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो एक्चुअली कंट्रोल करता है मेन प्रोसेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का या उस पूरी एक्टिविटी का, दैट कैन बी कॉल्ड किंग पिन. ओके, अमेजिंग. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. नैक. डोंट कॉल इट कनैक. ओके, जब भी कोई लेटर के साथ एन आता है, जब भी कोई लेटर ऐसे आता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली दैट टाइम वी मेक के साइलेंट. ओके, सो an acquired or natural skill at doing something. जब आपको एक natural चीज गिफ्टेड मिलती है, all natural, ठीक है, that is called knack. So for its synonym you can say talent, gift. ठीक है, so for these words we can use the word knack as well. Okay, next word is killjoy. इसको पढ़ते ही हम गेस कर सकते हैं, killjoy मतलब किसी ने जॉय को किल कर दिया. So one who spoils the joy of others. कुछ इंसान ऐसे होते हैं, उन्हें बहुत मजा आता है दूसरों को बुली करने में, and if somebody is happy they are like no, how can he be happy? So वो डिस्टर्ब करने में लगे रहते हैं, and that situation is when you use the word killjoy. If you have such friends, do let me know in the comment section. Next is Ken. Sounds very easy, right? Very small. Actually it is not within the range of what someone knows or understands. It also means knowledge. So जो भी आपकी knowledge है, you can also substitute the word knowledge with can. Very easy to understand, but अगर यही word आपको comprehension में दे दे, you will be struggling that इसका मतलब क्या है यार. Okay, so don't worry, we are here with these series to bring all such difficult or uncommon words to all of you so that you can learn them. Keynote, very important, very easy, and you all must know. Keynote means most important ideas, या जब आप most important part लिखते हो, collect करते हो उसे, that is keynote for you, right? आपने पूरे lesson की जगह कुछ lines में अपनी understanding में, if you are writing the summary, what is that? That's a keynote for you from the lesson, right? Or from the topic. All right. Moving forward with our next word is amazing. Kudos. So जब भी कोई एक super amazing work करे, you are like kudos. You are actually appreciating the person for that person's achievement. You're praising that person. You're honoring that person. Well done. That is kudos. Okay, very easy. I will be waiting when this series become kudos for me and for you. And students, please don't forget to form the sentences on these words and share them in the comment section, because this platform is to learn. So I don't want to miss any opportunity to guide you for performing even better in your exams. So all the best. Next word is canal. I already showed K with N, K gets silent. Knell, the sound of a bell rung slowly to announce a death. So it's not ordinary bell, वो other bell, like it's not other bell. We are talking about the bell, वो जो तभी बजती है, उसकी sound वो bell है वो. So that actually rung very slowly to announce the death. Okay. Next word is knead. Use the hands to mix something. जब आप अपने हाथों से कुछ mix करो या making the mixture, knead and work something into a uniform mass. ठीक है, you're pasting something with your hands by mixing something, or you're just mixing it, that is knead. So we knead the dough, हम आटा गूंथते हैं, right? That is knead. Kindred. Kindred means group of people related by blood. जब आपका एक blood relation हो या marriage की वजह से you are in a group of people, so that is actually family. So on the place of family, the word kindred can be used. बहुत ही यूनिक वर्ड्स हैं ये, सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट देम. These words will help you to answer the upcoming test series which we will have on the channel, and you will be aware of it. Next word is knit. Make my needle work with interlacing yarn. Knit. You must have seen your parents or elders doing knitting. बुनना, स्वेटर बुनते हैं ना, so that is called knit. That activity is called knit. So students, this was the series of letter A for today. We had these 15 words with all of us. We have learned them, and I want you all to be very mindful to learn and use these words. Let us take each day and make the best out of, like, let's create our best. Yes. So students, we have the key to defense. We are going to crack the defense exam and all those competitive exams where we need the help of vocabulary. So stay tuned, keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to get such videos, updates on timely basis. Plus, like the video if you found the content really helpful. Plus, don't forget to comment in the comment section and do share the video to connect OK to Learn community with all those learners who are waiting outside to get a good guidance and to get these helpful videos. Thank you so much. Happy preparation. Keep learning. Bye bye. And don't forget, it is OK to learn.